Hey guys, Josh here with Redneck Greenthumb. This is going to be close to a 2-month update on the garden. Everything's growing exponentially, so I wanted to bring it to you and show you how everything's progressing. Now's a good time. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment, share, because all that stuff helps the YouTube algorithm put my videos further out there, so I really appreciate it when you do that stuff. If you like this content, throw a comment down there and tell me what you like about it, or tell me what videos you prefer me to do. Just give me a heads up. Show me what you guys like to see. Anyways, 2-month update on the garden, 2023. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, cucumbers. We have some tomatoes here, but those are just from last year. I don't even think I planted them. Cucumbers, they are growing like crazy. There's one there. There's a little guy starting there. They're everywhere. I need to start tying these up. They're starting to grow up the trellis. What else do we got? Oh, there's one there. Oh, look at that. There's a potato bug on it. Let's keep that off of there. But yeah, they're starting. Should tie them up so they're not on the ground. There's a couple more here. There's another little one there. So yeah, they're doing really well. There's a sunflower that came up on its own. I'm not sure how it got there, but I'm gonna leave it. My second year onions from last year, they're starting to bulb up. They're doing good. I've been eating them like they're going out of style. That's just a lettuce that I planted there. That's another one that I haven't really been doing anything with. Cabbage. There's another cabbage in there. Those are small. They're just there for looks, I guess. Over here on my first year onions, I haven't been really taking very good care of them, so they're looking kind of sad. Some tomatoes just popping up here, there, and everywhere. See, look, there's a great big piece of grass that I forgot to pull. More tomatoes, more kohlrabi. Here we're looking at the zucchini. I think I have, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zucchini in there. The bugs are taking a toll on them, even though I'm trying to spray them with organic pesticides and stuff, but it's still not working. It's the earwigs, I think. But oh, mosquitoes. This one's looking healthiest, but it has no fruit on it yet. Here's some common yarrow that I just pulled out of the ditch somewhere. Actually, it was my last fishing video, my last catch and cook. If you want to check that out, it's on the channel. I might be able to figure out how to put it on the screen here somewhere, like right here or here. I don't know, we'll see. Here's my raised bed with all my kales. This is a different curly kale than this one, and this is a dino kale, and then red Russian kale, and then companion planting onions with them to keep the pests off. But it seems that the curly kale is the most pest resistant kale that I've ever grown. Here we have some dill growing in with the asparagus in the bucket. So some people say you can't grow asparagus in the buckets. They are lying to you. These are my Egyptian walking onions. They're growing really well. Here I think is thyme, rosemary, and oregano. Of course, I'm Italian. I need to grow that stuff. Here's some more kohlrabi. These ones are doing really well. Another red Russian. I've had like 3 harvests off of this set. I guess these 2 lettuce plants, and they're the ones that have the electroculture in them. And I've had 1 harvest off of this one and 1 harvest off of those. So I think the electroculture might be making a difference. Here's some more kohlrabi. They're doing okay. That is not kohlrabi, that is chicory that I'm not growing. It's just a weed. Here's a couple more kohlrabi. They're looking okay. This is my garden yarrow. that I usually make my teas out of. It's delicious and it's really good for healing. It's just really good. It's a good all-around plant to have. This is comfrey. Second year, I think, because it's going into flower. There's this small broccoli plant down there that hasn't done anything. This is I'm pretty sure this is a Brussels sprout plant, but they haven't been doing very much. Right here next to it is a small eggplant that's got three little eggplants on it. 3 little eggplants. Here are my big eggplant plants, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maybe growing on there, and a whole bunch more flowers. So that's doing really good. I think they're fingerlings or something, but they're gonna be tasty. My raspberry that has no raspberries on it. This is another Brussels sprout that has no Brussels sprouts on it yet. Oh, look, looks like they might be starting. Now these Brussels sprouts in buckets here, these ones are doing good. You can see the little Brussels sprouts growing down here. I need to cut more leaves off. Same with this one here. It's doing really good. Got to cut more leaves off. My pink or purple or red, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a purple cabbage. Purple cabbage. The ones in the buckets are doing really well. Green cabbage. This is super dense. It's like dense as a baseball. It's crazy, but it's the size of a football. That's a really good one. That's going to be ready to harvest soon. Here we go. We're looking at my tomatoes. This is a kind of a sad looking tomato plant. I think this one is a Ultra Girl. Yeah, this one's Ultra Girl. It's got quite a few tomatoes on it and more to come. A couple up here, a bunch of flowers up here. This is an Early Girl. It's got a bunch more. These guys are looking really good. No blossom end rot. Oh, that one. No, not really. What about this one? Yeah, they're a little funky looking. But the flowers started out funky, so I don't know. Got a couple more flowers up here. We're doing good. This one is a Chef's Choice. These are going to be orange. These are orange Chef's Choice. They're almost like an ox heart. They're the shape of them. Look at that. Got more up here. More flowers coming in. There's another one. This is a big boy. We've got 2, 4, 6, 7 on this plant, and lots more flowers. As you can see, they're going to be really good. This is also a big boy, and I think we got about the same amount of tomatoes on this one. This is a, what is this one? Beefsteak. So we got quite a few beefsteaks on there. They're looking good. No blossom end rot. Nope. Looking good. All right. My lettuce bucket that I've harvested from a million times already. These are my kale in buckets. This dino kale is doing really good. It's got no pests on it whatsoever. Look at this curly kale. See what I mean? It's absolutely pest resistant. It's amazing looking. It feels cool. It looks cool. It tastes good. So that's a go-to for next year. This red Russian is okay. It's starting to get sunburnt. Or some of the, these are, I think it was sacrificing these leaves. I forgot to water it, but they're looking good. Here is a container cucumber. I got a couple cukes in there. 1, 2. Here's more Roma tomatoes. These are actually all my canning tomatoes, my Romas, because I love to do my canning. This one and this one I planted quite late compared to these ones, which are already starting. See, we're getting Romas right there. Lots of flowers. This is also a electroculture test. What one is it? I think this one has electroculture in it, and it's producing a lot of flowers and a lot of fruit. So that's a bonus. Anyways, you can take a look at that. that one I also planted late. These ones have no electroculture in them, and I think these two do. But yeah, there's more fruit down in there. So those are my Romas. These are my tomatillos that have been devastated really bad all year. These tomatillos have been beaten up really bad by the cucumber beetles. For some reason they love these tomatillos. There's a couple more. I'm not quite sure what these ones are. I kind of just planted them there just to see if they'd survive. Another tomatillo, which is doing really good. I'm not getting any tomatillos on them though. I mean, lots of flowers, but not seeing anything really take off. There's another tomato. I accidentally chopped this one with the weed whacker, but I think it'll come back. They're pretty resilient. Oh no, look at that. That green cabbage split. I'm gonna have to harvest that. This is a broccoli that's full of earwigs, probably. Sunflowers. More sunflowers. The further we go, the taller they get. Oh yeah, they're looking good. My potatoes, they are all starting to lay over now. All the flowers are dying back, and they're producing the little berries, which means we probably have potatoes under there, but I'm not gonna harvest them yet. Soon, but I'm gonna wait for all the plants to die back. Here we have a bunch more Brussels sprouts. I think I have like 9 or 10 plants here. They are doing all right. I need to, well yeah, they're starting to produce pretty good actually. I need to cut these leaves back again. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more purple cabbage. They're looking really good. There's intermittent or companion planted onions in between every single one of these, but not all of them survived, or not all of them are thriving. They're all still in there. Oh, like this one I keep stepping on, and that one, and that one. Ugh. So I'm gonna have to harvest this. I'm gonna take it in and eat it because that's not good. That must have been overwatered or something. I'm not sure what causes that. The bugs really like these ones, so I've been trying to keep up with the spray on these guys. It's all organic. I'm not spraying it with anything harmful, and that's probably why it's not working the greatest. That little guy, that's a nice one. This one's getting attacked the most, but the head still looks good, so I'm gonna keep letting it grow. There's another eggplant in there, another little kale right here, and wow, look at the stalk on those things. They're getting good. So yeah, that's about it. That's my garden. Those guys are looking really good. So I think I'm gonna do a quick little harvest here. Let's just see about pulling this thing up here. There we go, because I don't want it to go to waste. So I'll take it and pull all these leaves off of it. Yeah, just looks like an exploded cabbage to me. I'll take it inside and chop it up and maybe turn it into some sauerkraut. But yeah, I'll have to research why it blew up like that. It's interesting. Oh, it smells really good. Anyways guys, that's my around 2-month garden update. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Throw some comments down in the comment section. Tell me what you like about my videos. Tell me what kinds of videos you like. And That'll help me put out more content that you're interested in seeing. And other than that, as always, thanks for watching. God bless, and stay safe out there.